Everything. Man, you didn't play the we're taking everything. You must know it. Everything. You can't abuse
shit. Right? You understand what I'm saying to you? Firstly, I have a right, or the anti-partyism rule. I don't know if you understand that, but maybe you can find out or research. It means that if you're saying, I'm the president of the ANC, John Dube, 1905 ANC, then what must happen is that I have a right to say, sir, produce to me what you are representing. I can't just take your word, because see what happened there. So many people, what's that guy's name? He's now in prison. He said he's Petrus Motsepe's son, only to find out that he was in prison. So there's a process. There's what you're talking about, gentleman. Gentleman means that you need to talk in a professional manner. You need to bring documentation.
No, don't put me in school. Put me on what you came here for.
Sir, you're talking and I can't talk.
No.
It means now two people are talking and you're not respecting me.
You have to respect me because I'm angry.
So if you're angry, go take a walk and come back and relax.
No.
There's no need to be angry. That means you're not a gentleman.
No.
That means you're a gangster. That means if you're angry, go take a walk, breathe in and come back.
Talk principle to me.
Don't tell me what to talk. I'm not your child. I'm an adult. Don't tell me what to talk. You talk what you want to talk. I'll talk what I want to talk. It's a free society. In some of the Constitution, it's freedom of speech. Do you know the Constitution? Passed in 1996. It's freedom of speech. You can't tell me what you want me to talk.
No.
I can't talk to two people. I'll talk to you now, sir. Just now. You understand? So I'm saying to you, let me finish talk. Then you can talk as I respected you. All right? The first thing is your approach is wrong. Supposed to come, make an appointment.
Fuck the appointment for abusing my sister.
Right.
Taking the furniture, taking everything, and putting the fucking stand in the shop.
Now?
Fuck you. I'm telling you, fuck you.
Sir,
fuck you. I'm supposed to hit you right now.
It's criminal injury. Yeah, you can hit me, but then you'll...
No, I supposed to hit you.
You touch me.
Fuck you.
I'm an official of the court. I'm an official of the court.
I'm telling you, fuck you.
That's criminal injury.
Fuck you.
Yes, sir.
Fuck you.
You can go then, right?
Fuck you. I'm telling you right now.
Thank you very much.
You are totally wrong.
Thank you very much.
You are totally wrong. Because now you
I'm on a case against you for criminal injury. I hope you got property or something that I can take from you.
Hey, fuck you, I'm telling you.
No.
You're stupid. You should respect us. No, we need to talk.
I'm recording also. Let him carry on.
No.
Open a case against
no.
Carry on.
And fuck you.
Thank you, sir.
And fuck you. I'm telling you.
Thank you.
You
no,
must.
You said fuck you. Now why are you talking to me? I can't talk to you. You're saying fuck you. I can't talk to you now.
Then fuck off. And then
I was here before. Yeah, sorry now. You keep quiet. I don't want to talk to you. You said fuck you, I'm fucking off.
And
right?
fuck you.
Right.
Do you know this lady?
No, I don't know. She knows me. You know me?
Yeah, I know.
What's my name?
I don't know your name.
How you know me then?
The owner's son. I was renting there.
You sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. Even if you can check the cameras, I used to come inside. Because now I just wanted to...
So you know me, but you don't know my name and I don't know your name?
I don't know your name because I was not renting.
It's fine. But where is your dad?
My dad?
Yes.
He's not here.
So what must happen now if he's not here? Why can't you call him? Because this problem...
No, you can't tell me what to do. You can make an appointment, you can tell me...
What fucking appointment are you talking about?
I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm not talking to you. Okay?
We are here, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I hope you are aware that it's criminal injury, sir, what you are doing. You're calling me a puss, that means criminal injury, sir. Do you understand that, sir?
And fuck you.
And you see, that's why that person, Penny Perus, paid 250,000.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
With your poorest of result of lawyer.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Yeah. There's the camera there and we're recording what you're saying. Carry on, sir. Carry on. You must make sure that they bring your bail money for you, sir. Because I'm going to oppose your bail.
Fuck you.
Thank you,
must
sir.
Fuck you.
Thank you.
And then we're going to deal with this matter and we're going to resolve it. And then...
You can't resolve nothing. You got a case against...
I will.
Now to the police station to open a case against
No, go. Fucking go.